This is WebHacker, our open source agentic tool for reverse engineering websites and generating web automations. You can use it as an SDK with pip install or clone the repo. After setting up the environment, we can run Quickstart script to familiarize ourselves with the overall workflow. WebHacker will launch a Chrome browser in debug mode, which allows the application to programmatically monitor and control it using Chromium DevTools Protocol, or CDP. You can perform some task you want to automate or browse a website with data you want to programmatically extract. In my case, I want to scrape soccer game results. In the background, all network requests, cookies, session storage, local storage are monitored and saved. After you finish the browser session, fill in the agent prompts. I said I want to get the Premier League fixtures given the season and week number. Our discovery agent will sift through all the collected browser data and figure out what API endpoints on the website are responsible for your task. It will generate a routine, which is a set of instructions for automating your task. You can execute the routine to test it, and here's the result. Looks like this is the data I originally requested. And here's the routine itself, which involves navigating, timeouts, JavaScript fetch requests. I can tweak the routine to my liking, so I will remove and hardcode one of the parameters. But I don't want to always run this from my local machine, so I will go to Vectorly's developer console, which will host this routine as an API and MCP tool. Looks like executing it gives us the expected results. I want to further improve the routine to give me a cleaner output, so I will add a JavaScript evaluation operation, which will format the data before returning it. I generated this JS function using an LLM. I can also use this operation to convert ugly HTML into structured JSONs. And finally, I have a production-ready automation that retrieves data from the web.